welcome back to once again the camper build. So today I am going to try to start tearing that wall down, but first I got to rip a couple pieces of wood. The wall, that little shelf area that I originally started with, two of the pieces I actually used one by accident, and then the other one I cut just a hair too short, so I have to make that up and make another board. No big deal, just rip them down and cut the size and that'd be it. So I want to get started doing that, and I am not sure, but I may stick them to the side first instead of attaching it to that piece of plastic. That's probably what I'll do, and then get started on here on this part, start tearing that and tearing into that. I probably will have to build some type of support over there on the corner inside so that it's not sagging down, but yeah, just sit back and watch. Alright, so time to tear that wall down because I need to build this corner up, essentially to build so I can have something for this new front wall to mount to. So that's what I'm going to do next. Alright, so that is off. So I will have to now get the metal that was on this and go ahead and build basically a wall off of that. But as you can see, I have this braced up. Hopefully that's about right. I'll probably brace up just a little bit better. Now I got a kind of a closer look. of what's going on here. You could see about maybe replacing this potentially. Definitely replacing this piece of plywood. There's some bit out of there, plus it's been warped, people sitting on it. But I think I'll just clean up this area, get it all prepped, and then tomorrow, actually Saturday, I'll start rebuilding this. Tomorrow I'm got other plans, but start rebuilding this wall and replace what I need, keep what I have. If it doesn't need to be replaced, I'll have to brace it up, get some measurements, but going to have to figure something out about this. I may take this whole thing down because I got to do the paneling up on the ceiling, and this is kind of in the way. Plus I got to do the paneling on the back side where this wall is. Like I said, I had to take this down to even secure this side in, but once this side's in, secured, I can start rocking and rolling right around, and hopefully it won't take me as long as this little section is. I'm kind of figuring it out as I go. All right, that's what I'm going to end with tonight. I'm just going to clean everything up. I don't think you guys want to watch me do that. And we'll see what goes on next time. All right, until then.